If Telegram is refusing to show your contacts, don't worry, today I'm going to guide you through how to fix this annoying issue and get your contacts back into view. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check permissions, refresh your sync, and make sure everything is set up perfectly so you can chat without missing anyone in your list. Let's jump right in. The number one culprit behind missing contacts in Telegram is usually incorrect app permissions. Your phone, whether it's Android or iOS, controls which apps get to look at the address book. So before anything else, let's double-check those settings. If you're on Android, open your phone settings, tap apps, or you might see apps and notifications depending on the device, then find Telegram in the list. Inside Telegram settings, tap permissions and make sure contacts is toggled on or set to allowed. This simply tells your phone you trust Telegram to see the contacts saved on your device. Apple users, your steps are just a bit different. Head to settings, scroll to privacy and security, and then tap contacts. Find Telegram in the list and ensure the toggle is green on. If it's off, Telegram can't see your contacts, so flip it and you're good. Okay, permissions are sorted. Next, let's make sure Telegram itself is set to sync your contacts. Open up the Telegram app and go to Settings. Under Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find the Contacts section. You'll see an option labeled Sync Contacts. If it's already enabled, I recommend toggling it off, then right back on. Sometimes this simple refresh prompts Telegram to resync and pull in any contacts that were left out. Think of this like rebooting a stubborn device. It shakes things loose and gets the app looking at your address book again. Now, sometimes the contact list itself just needs a nudge. On Android, inside Telegram settings, find contacts and look for a refresh icon or option. Go ahead and tap it. It shouldn't take long, but if your list is large, hang tight for a moment while Telegram does its thing. If you're on iPhone, there isn't a refresh button, but you can force the Telegram app to restart. Swipe up from the bottom or double-tap the home button on older phones, then flick Telegram upward to close it. Reopen it. This triggers Telegram to sync anew with your local contacts. It's a surprisingly effective fix. Another thing people often overlook is the actual information inside their phone contacts. Double-check that the missing contacts are saved with the correct phone numbers and that those numbers include the international country code, like +1 for the US. Telegram matches users by their phone number, so if that code is missing or incorrect, the app won't recognize them. And of course, only people who actually use Telegram will appear. If your friend hasn't signed up for Telegram, their name just won't show. If you've tried all this and contacts are still missing, there's a chance that Telegram's app data is acting up. For Android users, head back to Settings, Apps, Telegram Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Don't hit Clear Data unless you're okay with logging out and starting fresh. Cache clearing just wipes any junk files and it's safe. On iPhone, there's no direct cache clearing button, but you can offload the Telegram app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Telegram, Offload App, then reinstall. If you're still stuck, the last resort is to fully uninstall Telegram, restart your phone, reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play, and make sure to allow contact permissions when you set up for the first time. And that's it. If you followed these steps, your contacts should be back where they belong, and you'll be ready to chat with anyone you want. If you found this video helpful, please tap that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other Telegram problems or questions I can help with. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.